Hi, this video is grammar number 8. The title is reading number 5 in Mandarin. Number 1. If we want to read the number from 10,000 to 99,999,999, we need the basic number 1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10 and 0, and the unit is first class unit 个、十、百、千, and we also need the second class unit 1. The reading order of all these units is 1、千、百、十, but we don't have to read or write the 个. And we can use the 1 to combine with all the first class units and to form a larger unit. Number 1a. The combination of first and second class units. All the first class units can be used independently, but they can also combine with the second class unit, for example 1, to form a larger unit. For example, we can combine the 10 and 1, 百 and 1, and we can also combine the 千 with the 1. When they combine together, we read the first class unit first, and then the second class unit. For example, when we combine the 10 and 1, it becomes 10,000, 100,000. And when we combine 百 and 1, it becomes 百万, 1 million. When combine the 千 with the 1, it becomes 千万, 10 million. Number 2. The reading order. We read the number of larger unit or unit first, and then the first class unit, and finally the second class unit. We use the 90 million as example. We read the number of units first, and then the first class unit and the second class unit. So this number is read as 9千万. Number 3. If we have more than one same second class unit, for example 1, we just have to read the last one. We use 98,765,432 as example. This number is read as 9千八百七十六万五千四百三十二. We just have to read the last one second class unit and don't have to read the others. Number 4. We don't have to read the 0 when there's no number follow it, and we also don't have to read the unit it belongs to. We use 90 million as example. It read as 9千万. We don't have to read the zeros because there's no number follow it. We also don't have to read the first and the second class units, which the 0 belongs to. We have some examples. The first one is 17,435,600. It read as 17,743,5,600. We don't have to read the zeros because there's no number for it, and we also don't have to read the units which the zeros belong to. And the second example is 35,600,000. It read as 3,560,000. We don't have to read the zeros because there's no number for it, and we also don't have to read the units which the zeros belong to. Number 5. we have to read the 0 when it is in between two numbers, but we don't have to read the unit which the 0 belongs to. We use 90,853,781 as example. In this case, we have to read the 0 because it is in between two numbers, but we don't have to read the units it belongs to. So this number is read as 9,553,781. Number 6. We have to read the 0 when it is in between two numbers. But if there are more than one 0, we just have to read one of them. And we don't have to read the unit the zeros belong to. We use 90,000,001 as example. In this case, we have to read the 0 because they are in between two numbers. But we don't have to read all of them. We just have to read one of them. And we don't have to read the units they belong to. So this number is read as 9,000,001. We have two examples. The first one is 27,030,001. In this case, we have to read these two zeros because each of them is in between two numbers. But we don't have to read all of them. So this number is read as 2,703,001. And the second one is 70,100,304. It read as 7,000,010,304. This is the last video of this lesson. If you can apply all the principles you have learned, you can read or phone any number you want. All you need is to practice more. Okay, thank you.